Now the body has got this big gaping hole. Gotta be so careful. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Diecast. Ew, a pube. Ew. Ugh. Stay on the damn rotisserie, you little jerk. I have a whole rainbow variety of cougars in my life. Man, your motor's bigger than mine. Shut up, kid. It's perfect. You know those seats are going to be hot as hell in the summertime. Burn your little legs on those bad boys. Bare metal edition. Hello, friends. This is our custom Cougar after paint. When inserting hood, do not apply stress to the hinges or tabs. Forcing hinges into the hinge clamps will cause the hinge to break. I don't know if I can catwalk a Diora thing. Just looks like a van that's a truck. Just. Okay, car's back from paint and we made a little bit of a oopsie. Oh my god. Hey friends, today we're working on a nitty gritty kitty. We're gonna do this one up real proper like. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, we're about to have a glove incident. God, they're gonna know my identity. Gotta hurry. Hey. Hello. I'd say that's looking pretty good considering I dropped it on the floor. It's such a retro color. I love it. Squad fam out. What's playing around here? What is that? It's there and there. It's like a little oopsie from the factory. Just wanna. Oh my god, that pin broke already? I didn't even mess with it. What a turd. Are they really that fragile? Oh, okay. I am the strongest man in the world. Ah! Unbelievable. That's not even... What is this? So I'm gonna go give this a clean with a wire brush and some hot soapy water. And I gotta get this glove off before I have a chemical burn. So I'll be right back. Great job, Jimmy. Yeah. Ah, Jimmy. It's perfect. It suits you right down to the ground, buddy. I have a seat at the old picnic table there, but yeah, it looks just... it's perfect. Perfect. Like, what in the heck is this thing? Bruh, check out my six-pack. Drift? What do you mean, drift? Come in, Karen. Come in, Preacher Dan. So long, Spock. Both of these items I just washed. little soap and water, just to kind of clean the stank off them a little bit, you know. Big old fatties in the back. Blip, 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 blip. This thing is so badass. Get Preacher Dan out of there. God, Preacher Dan. Go back to Wales, sir. Go back to Wales. Blip, 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 blip. Blip, 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 blip. Blip, 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 blip. Bum, bum, bum. Crusty. Look at all those barnacles. It's freaking sweet. You want a race, man? So now, it's getting a little complicated, so I'm going to clear coat this Quicksilver. So I have a urethane base on there where I can use water to put my decals on. And then I'm going to come back and give it a little bit more Quicksilver to kind of cover my decals, and then we're going to add our colors. So boop, 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 boop. Haunts me at nighttime still. Beauty. What do you think of this? Hello. Jimmy, what happened last night? Jimmy. We gotta clean this mess up. If anybody got offended at the stream, I'm sorry. We're gonna tone it down for next time. So until then, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah, I think I've taken this as far as I need to go. It's starting to look like kind of cream of broccoli baby food or something. Jimmy, you've been laying there for 2 days, man. Never been so mad in my life trying to get these in place. Ma'am, are you sure you haven't seen Jimmy around here? I swear, officer, he hasn't been around all day. Oh my God, Karen! Mother of God. Go, 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 go! So here we go. She's pretty dirty, but that's okay. Sometimes the dirty ones are the fun ones. Come on, Jimmy. This thing's pimp. Get in there, bro. Get in there. Meep, meep. I don't think he's ever going to guess that we're going to do a Vista Cruiser for our muscle car. It's going to be pimp. Dun, dun. Blub, 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 blub. Burp, burp. I like to use all my creative juices in the same day rather than splitting up my juices over 2 days, if that makes sense. What do you think of this beast? Time Rider's gonna be like, what the hell is that thing? Big shout out to John Hatchett, who sent Jimmy a hot rod that is his size. It's the coolest thing ever. Yeah, buddy, get in there. Oh no. Sick welds, bro. Just making a trailer. Sometimes I ask myself, how did I end up at this exact point in life? Don't let that bother you. She's gonna be cool. Mm-mm. Jimmy, no, get back in there. Bye bye, Prince Charming. Cadillac, Cadillac. Shovel gone. Gas tank. Glug 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 glug. Look at the size of this Hot Wheels. So, what do you think after a polish? Oh my god. Sick. Easy. Gleek, 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 gleek. Thing looks like it's got a supercharger on it. Sick. Cruising along, pimping, and then you roll into the sun, and it's like, boom. We got a Hodges Hot Wheels sponsorship. I'm really digging it. It's got that look to it, you know. That's in pretty good shape, except for it looks like it totally smeared a deer on the highway. Hell yeah, man, it's like it was made. Hell yeah. Have a look in there. Oh, the pubes are intense. Oh, it's so nasty. Bloop, 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 bloop. That might be too big. Huh? Yeah, you guys are the select few that get to see the actual awesomeness that we did here today. Can't even do my blubs properly. Bloop, 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 bloop. Look how nice that spreads. Isn't that crazy? Is what it is. We gave it a shot. The one, the only, Big Chocolate! One last thing we're going to do before we paint is we're going to give this a nice coating of more sparkles. We got some subtle sparklies in there, the whole car. Sorry, OCD. OCD kicking in. And I don't think we're going to have any more real issues going forward here. pop the hood here. Check this out. Got a real poor amount of light under there, but got everything in the engine bay all back together. Gonna try just fade everything in nicely on the hood here. So I'd say that was a success, this project. Really feeling that, and I look forward to what's going to happen in the future. The model looks a little bit thick, just because there is a lot of extra goopy resin on top, so let me clean up quick and then we will move on to the next step. Classic. Yes. Let's see this little camper. I think that's going to work out. Hello! Water is good enough for me. C is for cookie. Good enough for me. Dude, this thing is cool. That turned out really good. Okay, so our body is looking pretty legit, I would say. So anyways, guys, that is my most expensive paint ever. Bloop, 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 bloop. Hell yeah, this thing turned out sweet. Bloop, 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 bloop. The lid broke off my pudding cup again. Bloop, 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 bloop. Click, 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 click. Look at this baby. Oh my god. So we're gonna just have to do a bunch of guesswork here. Custom made by my man Joe, so I'll leave that in there for now, and there's our complete unit. Look how low that rat is. Just scraping along. And now we can just hit this with a little Sharpie because it's transparent. Boom. Awesome. But we're going to clean this up as best as we possibly can. Maybe we'll do it really quietly. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, that's exactly what I envisioned. Now we're starting to look legit. Yes. A beautiful, sparkly little diamond.